Hello everyone. I am Suraj Kumar, working as a technical project lead with Thinknyx Technologies. With over 10 years of experience, I have a solid expertise on container and cloud ecosystem. Today, I'm going to share my knowledge on the limitations of native Kubernetes and various available enterprise Kubernetes offerings. Then I'll talk about one of the leading enterprise Kubernetes platform, which is known as Symcloud Platform, along with its architecture and several key features and benefits. In the previous sessions today, Deepthi explained the core concepts of Docker and Kulbhushan walked you through the power of native Kubernetes. While native Kubernetes is a widely adopted container orchestration platform, it has several limitations and challenges that users need to be aware of. So let's now break down it further and understand its various limitations in more detail. Complexity. Kubernetes can be challenging to set up and manage, especially for the users who are new to the container ecosystem. The complexity arises from the need to configure numerous resources such as pods, services, deployments, and many more. And this complexity can lead to steep learning curves and operational overhead. When it comes to networking, it can also be complex, especially when dealing with multiple clusters or hybrid cloud environments. When we talk about observability, Kubernetes provides basic in-memory monitoring and logging capabilities, but users often rely on third-party tools and add-ons for comprehensive historical logging and observability. Setting up, configuring, and managing these tools can also be a complex task. When it comes to scalability, Kubernetes can scale applications effectively. However, scaling Kubernetes cluster itself can be a tedious process, especially for very large clusters. Even upgrading Kubernetes clusters require a lot of manual efforts. So next is stateful application. Kubernetes is designed for the stateless applications. To run stateful applications like databases, queuing services, messaging services, and many more requires third-party cloud native storage integration and management, which further adds the complexity for managing additional components. And when we talk about role-based access control, Kubernetes does not provide effective user management. Though you have certain flexibility inbuilt in the form of roles, cluster roles, role bindings, and cluster role bindings, this is not sufficient to manage users efficiently. And when it comes to management console, Kubernetes does not ship with inbuilt management console, which is the need of an hour, especially for the developers who are going to deploy one-click applications. So the challenges don't stop there. They include complex coding architecture, hurdles when integrating third-party software, lack of official support when it's needed most in the production, and the absence of readily available backup and restore options. Well, this brings us to a critical question that considering the multitude of challenges with native Kubernetes, what should we do? And this is where various enterprise Kubernetes offerings come into the picture. So these solutions come equipped with ready-to-use features such as simplified setup, one-click upgrade, unified dashboard, integrated monitoring and logging, and several other benefits. So now let's move further. And here are some of the enterprise Kubernetes products which are offered by different vendors. Let's talk about Red Hat OpenShift. It is one of the popular enterprise offering by Red Hat. It provides a unified platform to build, modernize, and deploy applications at scale. It streamlines Kubernetes management, but demands significant resources and efforts due to its intricate architecture. When we talk about Mirantis, it is a leading container orchestration platform providing robust tools for managing and scaling containerized applications. The first major release of Mirantis Kubernetes was launched in 2020 after the acquisition of Docker Enterprise Businesses by Mirantis. VMware Tanzu. It is a modular cloud native application platform that accelerates development, delivery, and operations across multiple clouds. It simplifies Kubernetes adoption, but may be cost prohibitive due to licensing complexity. It has comprehensive feature set, however, may lack certain advanced capabilities found in other specialized Kubernetes platform. And the next is Rancher, which was originally founded as a company called Rancher Labs and released the Rancher platform as an open source software. The platform gained its popularity for its user-friendly approach to Kubernetes management. Well, while we talk about enterprise Kubernetes offered by Red Hat, Mirantis, VMware, and Rancher, there is another powerful, easy to use, flexible, and user-friendly enterprise Kubernetes platform, which is known as Symcloud Platform. Let's now deep dive further into Symcloud Platform. So Symcloud Platform was previously known as Rakuten's Robin Cloud Native Platform. It is a CNCF certified distribution and one of the most popular industry leading offerings in the enterprise Kubernetes world. It is trusted by leading telecom operators and Fortune 1000 enterprises across the globe. Symcloud Platform is ideal for those who are looking to deploy open radio access networks, that is Open RAN, 5G core, private 5G, multi-access edge compute, and enterprises applications with as a service model in a secure, multi-tenant, and role-based environment. So organizations are now increasingly drawn to it because of its impressive array of features like multi-cloud portability, advanced data management capabilities, ability to seamlessly integrate with open source Kubernetes, and many more. We are going to talk about it later on, its key features and benefits in more details in the upcoming slides. Symcloud Platform has the combined power of application workflow manager running on Kubernetes, application-aware storage, virtual networking, and supports any type of hosting infrastructure, including bare metal, VMs, AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. The application workflow manager with open source Kubernetes provides one-click or API-driven end-to-end automation, which helps you to deploy, scale, heal, and upgrade your entire application. It also helps you in observability and monitoring, which is not limited to the simple logs and utilization graphs. The app-aware storage component enables the support of snapshots, cloning, replication, backup, encryption, and compression. And when we talk about Symcloud Platform's networking, it provides carrier-grade virtual networking, which supports OVS underlays, Calico overlays, SRIOV, DPDK, as well as network interface card bonding with NUMA-aware affinity, anti-affinity, and dual stack IP version 4 and version 6. Well, this is a high-level technical overview of Symcloud Platform, and I'm not going deep dive into the technical architecture. In the upcoming presentation today, Yogesh will actually demonstrate the setup of Symcloud Platform in much detail. So now let's move further and explore some of the key features and benefits of Symcloud Platform. Simplified interface. So Symcloud Platform provides user-friendly and intuitive GUI, CLI, and API management interfaces that simplify configuration and management of your applications. It is so easy that anybody can operate it. Symcloud Platform ensures a resilient infrastructure without a single point of failure, and hence it provides high availability and stateful application support. It delivers automatic application-aware data failover for complex and distributed applications running on bare metal. And it is worth noting that Symcloud Platform is the one and only product that delivers high availability support for stateful applications in addition to the traditional stateless applications. Dynamic resource scaling. The platform offers dynamic resource scaling capabilities, enabling you to scale your applications vertically and horizontally as per the demand. You can scale resources up or down with just a few clicks and set automatic scaling policies. A notable feature of Symcloud Platform is its compatibility with existing Kubernetes infrastructure, as it does not require any modifications to the underlying setup. This provides users the flexibility to choose and replace the bundled open source Kubernetes with their preferred distribution of CNCF certified Kubernetes. The platform offers comprehensive full stack monitoring and multi-tenant observability features, providing real-time metrics, logs, and tracing for applications performing insights. And when it comes to multi-cloud and on-premise support, Symcloud provides flexibility in deployment options, offering both cloud-based and on-premise deployment models, which allows organizations to choose the deployment method that best suits their needs. And that's conclude my session. I hope you liked it. Thank